See, an electric iron of resistance 30 ohm is connected to 220 volt line. What is the current through the wire? We need to find out current.
Yes, sir.
What is given? Resistance 30 ohm, 220 volt. What is the difference? 220 volt. We have to find out
Current.
current. I. According to Ohm's law, we know V is equal to I, Ohm's law. We have to find out I. Therefore, I is equal to V by R. Volt 220 resistance
30.
is
Yes, sir.
unit of current ampere.
Ampere.
Electric iron resistance connected to what is the current? Oh, the current is 7.33. Clear?
Yes, sir.